Hi, if you want to update your CMF phone one, then all you have to do is find and open your settings app, and now scroll down and check this system tab. After that, you should see this settings system update, so simply tap it, and if you got any new updates, then you would see button update and then download and install. And the size of the update may vary, so don't be surprised. While the download is in progress, you can scroll through the notes and see what's new. So, for example, performance improvements, fresh security patches, or something like that. And once it would be installed, your phone would be rebooted, so it will turn off and then turn back on. And after that, you should see this display with information that your phone is up to date now. You can also check its version, security update, and last successful check for update. Here you'll see actual time. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.